what volume of NH3 at STP is required to react with 3 moles of O2? So we're going from moles A to volume B. Moles A to volume B. So we have to go moles A, moles to moles B, and then to volume B. So first we have to convert to moles B. So you're given 3 moles of, so 3.00 moles of O2. So now we have to do a mole ratio, moles A to moles B mole ratio. So we go back. So this correlates with this formula. So it's the blue underlines. So there's 4 moles of NH3 and 5 moles of O2. So 5 moles O2 goes in the bottom, so it cancels out. And then 4 moles of NH3. So that cancels out, that cancels out. But now we have to go to volume. So we have to so we're at moles B now. So now I have to go to volume B using the triangle, which is 22.4 liters per 1 mole of, oh, that's messy, NH3. There is 22.4 liters of NH3. So that cancels out, that cancels out, and this equals 53.8 liters of NH3. So that's what you do. And this STP, don't worry about that. It's always 22.4 liters for volume, so don't worry about that.